Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sabir from Russia and welcome to the another new video of crypto news. Today we are going to watch what's happening on the crypto world, and so please make sure to watch this full video and like, share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. So viewers, as you can see on the CoinMarketCap website, today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap, the global crypto market cap is $2.16 trillion, which is 0.38% decrease over the last day. So that means today is not so good for the crypto, but it's going down. I mean, decrease the total volume of crypto. Total crypto market cap is 2.16 trillion. So let's see what's happening around this Bitcoin. You can see 62,168. So 24 hours it has changed to minus 0.72%, and 7 day you can see it has changed plus 1.54%, and total market cap 1.22 trillion. It's quite good. Ethereum, you can see today has price per token. I mean, one Ethereum equal to 2,439, which is 24 hours changed plus 0.02%. And Tether is good, and you can see BNB. Of course, BNB is doing so good. Today's price is 582.61 per BNB, and 24 hours it has changed 1.28%, and 7 day it has changed quite good 6.55. so Solana is doing good 143.10, and 1 hour it has changed 0.37%, and 24 hours it has decreased minus 0.88%. XRP, you can see today's price per token 0.5324 dollar. 1 hour it has changed minus 0.02, and 24 hours it has changed to 0.25%. so Dogecoin, one of the famous meme coin, today you can see Dogecoin is pumping, start to pump. It has price, today's price is 0.1103 per token, and 1 hour it has changed 1.03%. 24 hours it has changed 2.32%, and 7 day it has changed 0.84%. so we wish that Dogecoin will pump more. And next, Tron, doing so good. 24 hours it has changed 4.07%. Tron coin, 24 hours it has decreased 0.14%. Cardano is doing good. Shiba Inu, 24 hours it has changed 0.14%. Then what's next? Then Litecoin is doing little good, 65.67%. 24 hours it has changed 0.13%. And Pepe is doing not so good, it's consolidating. 24 hours it has changed 0.33%. so guys, you can see Caspa has decreased minus 0.94%. 24 hours changed. And next, DogoIF had token 24 hours it has increased 0.50%. today's price $2.5252 per token. so guys, these are for we going to see this Bonk is doing 1 hour chart. You can see 0.33% it has increased, but 24 hours it has decreased minus 1.28%. It has downturn. So Polygon is doing little good, and Cocaine is doing good. Then what's next? Notcoin, one of the first popular coin on Telegram. There's a lot of community support, as you know, but it's going down, consolidating for a long time. Whoever invests in Notcoin, they are holding their token. Of course, it will we wish it will pump more and it will break its all-time high record. So today's price is 0.003479 and 1 hour it has changed 1.30%, but 24 hours it has changed minus 2.17%, 70 it has changed 2.95%. So it's consolidating as we can see over the last year. So guys, we want to check on Bitget what's happening, because on Bitget we can see some meme coin also, because meme coin has investor always make some good money. So yeah, you can see on Bitget BTC 62,203 USDT. I don't know, it's doing very bad USDT, because you can see here 24 hours trading volume is showing 82.47 million, but it's always going down. I don't know how long it will go down. I don't know, it's a community developer team what's going on. Okay, let's see what happened on the next. But you can see here just little pumping and JP is doing good. Then agent lever it's doing so good here. Today price 4.042 per agent, and 24 hours trading volume 48.8 million, and 24 hours it has changed quite good, plus 11.11%. Here you can see some most popular token here, OG. What's in OG fan token is doing good. So 24 hours it has changed plus 13.79%. Today per token rate is $8.87. So then another turbo, it has changed 11.24%. Baby Doji it has changed, oh my god, 25.73%. it is quite good. Baby Doji is pumping. Then Cats, another meme coin, it has changed 56.96%. so it's quite good. Modern it has changed 8.99%. so we want to see the Baby Doji. So guys, this all on get.io.com. So next we have moved to the coin market cap. So as you can see here, some total crypto market has going to down. I think it's going to down, decreased by some percentage. So it's decreased by 0.38% over the last day. So Sui is doing already has done good, but today it has changed minus 6.33%. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching our video, and please like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.